I always get excited when it's time to sort my seeds because that means the gardening season is starting. Each seed packet has a date on it that says the date for which it was packaged. It says a sell by date for the stores. That's there for the stores. What you'll need to know is how long do seeds last. I have my handy dandy seed storage list here, annotated down through the years. And each year I put on there what was 5 years ago, what was 4 years ago, so that I just have to look at it and decide whether I can keep it. For example, cucumbers last for 5 years. This was packaged in 2020, so it should be good in 2025. My morning glories, which will last a really long time, are still new. They were from 2024. Anything from 2024, anything from the previous year, you can usually count on it sprouting, except possibly onions, parsley, and some things like rutabaga and salsify, which I don't grow. Another cucumber that's only 2 years old. Okay, I've got a radish. Radishes last for 4 years, and this is from 2019, so we don't need that.
Okay.
Once I get them all, once I determine what seeds I'm going to keep, then I sort them by the variety or by the vegetable that they are, and then I make a list of all the varieties I have so that I know what I need to order. And as I plan my garden, I then order the seeds that I'll need to replace those that I don't have, or to plant something new that I'm going to grow this year that I didn't do previously. And then I start putting them in my seed storage folder file. I have an accordion file with dates, with all the planting dates listed on the little tabs, and I put them in according to the date that I will plant the seeds, whether I start them inside as transplants or whether I start them outside. I put them on the date the seeds go in the ground. I then have them according to the date that I can plant them, and when that date comes along, I just pull out the seeds that are in that file and go ahead and plant them where they should be planted, whether it's in my greenhouse or outside. When I buy new seeds at the store, or when my seeds that I've ordered in the mail come in, I simply drop them into the appropriate slot in my seed storage area, and then I have everything ready to plant on the date that it should be planted.